It's complicated.
Guys, I have a plan. So listen carefully because we can crack this. So watch carefully. The first one, dog salon.
I love dogs.
You do, right?
Yeah,
They are super cool. Okay, so the second one is shopping angel. Now this is for all those people who come to Mumbai for the first time. We will sort their shopping problems.
I'll sort it out. I'll be the head angel.
Head angel. Okay. Third one is photography classes. Now, don't get your hopes high, okay? I'm in charge of this.
Obvio.
Fourth one. Razzie, Rhino, Fashion. This. We can blog about the worst dressed celebrity. What do you think?
Such a nice idea, man.
Okay, Raka, listen, I have to say something. Like, you really think it'll work? I mean, are they really new ideas, honestly?
Yeah.
Then Nupur, एक काम करो ना. तुम ही कोई idea suggest कर दो. Yes, Appa. No, Appa. I am not so sure. ये सब करने से ना कोई business idea पैदा नहीं हो जाएगा.
And can you talk without being bitchy and sarcastic, like, for a change?
Fuck. I hate this. Guys, please stop fighting, man. We're supposed to be united for this situation, yeah. Get the point.
I'm not fighting. She is.
Yeah.
Oh, Baba Mashai from Bengal has arrived and the plot thickens.
Hello. I just thought the girls were upset. What will be the best things for them?
Really?
Cupcakes and shisho, right?
Oh, whatever.
And Samira, this is for you. From your favorite brand.
Hey, these are so nice, yeah, Shisho. It's all about you. It's my favorite brand. But why are you giving this to me? Give this to your girlfriend, na?
उसी को तो दिया.
Did you just say that?
Anyways. Dog saloon, shopping angels, photography,
Razzie Rhino Fashions.
Yeah, Razzie Rhino Fashion.
Uh-huh.
I think I can be your shopping angel.
Shut up, Shisho.
Yeah, I got some great taste.
Yeah, I agree.
I know.
Tell me one thing. You like these ideas? You think it'll work?
See, these ideas are good, but a bit posh.
है ना? See?
You guys should think थोड़ा ground level पे. See, best is tiffin services. एक महाराज रख लो और एक डब्बे वाला रख लो.
हाँ, वो सब तो ठीक है. But orders कैसे आएंगे?
एक मेनू बनाएंगे और उसको ऑफिसेस में सर्कुलेट करवाएंगे.
Nupur, us South Indians can also help. We can make gourmet Tamil food. You remember the recipes I've taught you? Puli sadam, tair sadam, molga pudi. Basha tiffin service. What do you think? Is Rajnikant still relevant?
क्या है? मार्केट जाने का, वेजिटेबल्स वगैरह लाने का, ये सब काम कौन करेगा?
Here's presenting our new operations manager, Shisho.
Hello. This tiffin thing is not working out, okay?
Why?
Can we do something related to cupcakes?
Hey, Shisho, I have a problem with how you associate girls to cupcakes, huh? I mean, just because they are cute and they like pink. I mean, who the fuck has been hogging cupcakes right from the time he's here?
Raka, I'm very sorry to hurt your feminist emotions. Have you seen two broke girls? You guys are three broke girls. And anyways, can we talk about this later? Does any of you know how to bake?
Bake?
Yes.
You expect us to know how to bake just because we are girls? Do you fucking know how to bake, huh? Do you know how to bake?
In fact, yes, I do. I can help, but this is your business.
Hey, एक मिनट. We don't know how to bake, but I have another nice idea. We can have a e-commerce website, and जहाँ पे हम लोग clothes और accessories वगैरह बेचेंगे, and we can name it flea market.
Can you speak to Ramalingam uncle to supply you Madras cotton sarees and suits at wholesale prices? My amma is still bothering me, yaar. Amma, can you please be quiet?
Don't worry, Nupur. Auntie, please don't bother, no. So, this e-commerce is a very great thing, but needs a special peg. Like, we can sell Samira's once-worn clothes and shoes she wears.
Hey, Shishu, you're so gross, man.
Guys. This is heading nowhere. I mean, do you know what is this? We have no job. We have no fucking money to pay the rent. And no one is going to employ us. And I have to go back to Kolkata and join my dad into his jewelry business, man.
Keep calm. Have a cupcake and rewind. और ये सोचो कि तुम लोग ये situations में किस लिए आए?
It's a long story, dude. You know this guy Sangram? He came to KK's vanity. And then I was in the vanity wearing the helmet. क्यों बे? हाथ लगाएगा? And he got irritated with me. And then he met me in the police station. I totally hate this guy. So you know what I do? I just go and I get shots of him. He was actually snorting coke. And I wanted to expose his double standard. So he got more bugged with me. And you know what? This dude, she has a situation with that fucking KK.
Nupur, jaldi aao. It's time to play, honey.
And you already know what is happening with Samira.
I suggest for the rest of your notice period, you sit home, don't come back to work.
Okay. Rewind again. राका, तुमने जो संग्राम के pictures लिए थे, वो कहाँ पे है?
मेरे पास है. Why?
So guys, you guys are sitting on a goose which lays golden eggs. Nupur, तुम जो कहोगे कि वो जरूर करेगा. So उसके साथ use this Sangram. Use them. Take the advantage.
Advantage? कैसे?
Yes.
Yeah, I know. See guys, this is how scoops are made, okay? So let's get KK and Sangram together. You know, to interview each other. Let this get viral. And you know Miss Malini, right? And remember उसने क्या बोला था? She was ready to help us with marketing muscle. Guys, we are sorted. This is our recipe for success.
Or failure?
Shut up, Samira.
Shisha!
Okay. I know you guys are obsessed with my sex appeal, but guys, control, yeah? I'm like one woman man.
हाँ, but how will we make this happen?
Okay. So plan ये है, Raka, you will use the pictures of Sangram and make him ready for the interview.
Okay.
Nupur, you need to talk to KK.
No यार, you remember पिछली बार क्या हुआ था जब मैं उसके घर पे गई थी, right? I can't do this and what do I talk to him about?
अरे यार कुछ नहीं, I love you बोल देना, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Okay, Samira, you need to talk to Miss Malini about the promotions. Cool? So we'll get KK, Sangram and Miss Malini together. Trust me, it will work.
This is an awesome idea, dude. Yay, we love you.
It's okay. I love her.
It's complicated.
हम ना सर शो बनाने वाले हैं आपका और केके का.
तो ऐसा मुझे अभी आप बताइए कि आपकी क्या प्रॉब्लम है मेरे साथ.
See guys, this is how scoops are made.
Cheers, guys!
It's on, Samira.
Yes, it's on. Same for you.
Primary cast exclusively styled by Myntra.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rashmi Shetty, an aesthetic physician and a skincare expert. I do have a lot of young girls these days in my practice, asking me about various doubts, of course, related to beauty quite many times. And out of them, most of them are related to hair. So I thought maybe we should choose a nice platform and talk to you all about the myths and see what I can impress upon you are just myths.